What if it was possible to lift a building from one place to another place just like a toy? Not rhetorically, but practically. Hi, my name is Aditya Agrawal and I am from Durga Steel. Today we'll be speaking about the same, whether it's possible or not, and if possible, what will be the difficulties facing to it. Whenever someone invests in something, they always think of the ROI, the return of investment. So what is the return of investment of a building who is located in one place? Normally, people would say there is no value to the building. It's only the land value. Coming to the same, in PEB, the ROI of the building is very good because in PEB, you can actually move a building from one place to another place. How that is possible? Because they are assembled at site with nut bolts. It's not fabricated at site, it's not tied together at site as normal conventional buildings. It does not have cement, brick, mortar, etc. So this is a building which is assembled at site. So whether it's possible or not, yes, it is possible to dismantle a building from one location and put it together in another location with some difficulties and managing how to place it together. What are the costs involved to it? In order to understand the cost, we need to understand few points relating to the same. There are different costs. Some costs are direct costs, some costs are indirect costs, which is not considered when you are trying to shift a building from one place to another place. So we'll be talking about both types of cost today. In order to understand the cost, is this actually a cost or it's actually a cost benefit? Yes, it is a cost benefit because your investment of the building, which is approximately 90% of the cost of your entire building, can be reutilized. So it's actually not a cost, it's actually a cost benefit. How these costs can be calculated and is there any standard cost to it? Answer to it is that no, there is no standard cost to it, or how much cost benefit you will be getting out of it. It completely depends upon case to case basis. It's on one project to another project. So we need to understand all the parameters relating to the same. In order to understand all these things, we need to understand the factors relating to it, such as size, to imply what will be the hydra or the crane usage, complexity, how many members and what kind of members are involved, location, is there resource available to do the thing, distance from the old building to the new building to determine the transport cost of the building, life of the previous building, because it also determines what will be the strength of the building and if it's required for the new building to re-strengthen the existing structure such that the life of the new building also be the same. All these are direct costs which you can calculate, but there are some terms and conditions applied cost, the hidden cost, which normally you don't get to say about it or you don't calculate it on that basis. So what are those hidden costs? So coming to the hidden cost, the type of dismantling, the process if you don't follow, how you need to dismantle the entire building, it can create a future hidden cost to you in the building. Next point being, if you are doing a dismantling of a building, now when you are removing the screws, if the hole is size gets bigger while removing the screws from the sheet gets damaged and those sheets cannot be reused. Next point, all the accessories which are installed in the building, normally people would say it's not reusable, but if given proper care, not the entire 100% of the accessories, but yes, at least 50% of the accessories can be utilized if done it properly. Another point is that while you have done all the dismantling in a proper manner, step by step, what is needed to be done first and what is needed to be done afterwards, even after that, if you do not rearrange it or do proper packing to it, when you are shifting the material or when you are dismantling the material, many materials can get damaged. All these things comprises of the cost which are hidden to you but can come in the later stage while erection of the new building, using the old materials, or changing the sheets, changing the required materials. Increases cost while running the project, not beforehand. So all these things, the direct and the indirect cost, comprises of these things, whether what will be the cost of a building from shifting from one location to another location. This is all from my side today. Thank you so much and have a good day.